Here I've got HUAWEI Y6 from 2019, and let me show you how to activate dial pad tones. So at first just take a look. As you can hear, now it is muted, so you cannot hear any digit that I am entering. But if you would like to change it, just go to the settings, find Pick Sounds, then scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Here you will notice keypad tones, and let me choose, for example, default. Now let's move to the keypad. Here it is, but as you can notice, you can also pick melody, so let me choose it. And here you can also pick this option, but this is basically all. This is how you can activate this sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.